cigarettes and a little teaser. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Windowsill back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Windowsill by ZAYN featuring Devlin. I think this is my favorite song on the album, after Better, of course, because that guitar was just dope. Anyways, we're playing this with basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 2. And we're playing G, D, E minor, and then C, okay? And my strumming pattern is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you waiting for the right time? Are you waiting for the right time? Yeah. Cigarettes when you're so G, D, E minor, and then C. Okay, now if you're not familiar with how to hold these chords, you can check out my chord video. It is in the description below, so you learn how to hold the chords and then come back here for your progressions. Otherwise, that's been it for this video, guys. It's a really easy song. These chords are the same for ZAYN's verses. Apparently when Devlin comes in, it's just E minor. That's Devlin's verse, okay? And the rest of the song I've already showed you. So yeah, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.